Ever cooked beautiful salmon, only to find your whole house smells fishy? Today, I'll show you a method to avoid that. In just 5 minutes, you have delicious salmon, no lingering smell. We first marinate the fillets with soy sauce. About 6% of the weight of the salmon, which works out to about 1% salt. This is to season the surface, firming up the texture slightly while we prep. So, what causes the smell? Well, after they're cooked, two things happen. A natural substance in the fish starts to break down into something called TMA, the stuff that gives off that familiar fishy, ammonia-like smell. In oily fish like salmon, the fat starts to oxidize, giving you that lingering odor. The solution? Ginger. Lots of it. Ginger contains compounds that both neutralize and mask TMA. While it doesn't undo the oxidized fat, it outcompetes and neutralizes them. Relatively chunky. Neutral oil, generous amount of ginger goes into cook. Optional garlic for some pungency and more aroma. Once again optional, shallots for some subtle sweetness. The objective of the exercise here is to form a bed for the salmon to steam and avoid direct heat, so use whatever you fancy or whatever you have in your fridge. Once the surface of the ginger is bubbling, fish goes in, along with the marinade. Once again optional, but to go the extra mile, vodka or any neutral spirit. To overly generalize, the alcohol volatilise both culprits of the fishy smell, helping them evaporate. And of course, it also adds another beautiful smell. Lid on, as promised, 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, we have perfect salmon with a beautiful smell.